Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Mackenzie here as always. So in this vlog, guys, I'm going to be taking you along with me to my antenatal visit. Antenatal visit is a visit to the hospital relating to pregnancy, the pregnant woman and the unborn child. It is essential for pregnant woman and the unborn child. I registered with Naomi Medical Center in Ibadan. Naomi Medical Center in Ibadan is located in Okepad in Ibadan, Okepad area of Ibadan. And on entering the hospital, it is a 3-story building, and our antenatal visit is usually on the 3rd floor. So you have to climb the stairs to get through to the 3rd floor. You can imagine how stressful that is on every antenatal, but never mind, it is actually good for a pregnant woman. So it is me climbing the staircase. I usually come here like very early before 8. Yeah, I'm so tired. This staircase last almost. So I usually come here before 8 because I tend to get here very early, because the earlier you get here, the earlier you are being attended to. As you can see, empty chairs, people are already here. I got here and I went ahead to drop my card. When you get here, you drop your card according to your attendees. You can see how many persons were on seats and how many cards were there. So people were not around yet, but I think I met like 7 cards over there. So I got seated and was just resting myself because of the staircase I climbed. It can be exhausting every antenatal. Over there, they usually have the antenatal care visit every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and upon your first visit, you'll be the one to choose which day will be preferable for you. So I chose Thursday because I wanted my antenatal visit to usually be Thursdays. So as you can see, I'm seated and people are already coming in, filling the empty chairs. So I was just here waiting. The nurses usually begins their program at exact 9 o'clock or thereabout. So what is antenatal visit without you packing your food? Wow, yeah, you have to pack your food, and because pregnant woman eats every minute, every now and then. So I was eating my food, and this woman came to advertise her product. Usually seated like this up until when the program starts, and the program usually starts around 9 or thereabout, depending on how early the nurses were able to get through to work. So yeah.
Please, if you have any complaint, come to the hospital to come and complain. Mind you, today is Thursday. You are doing your clinic on Thursday. Thursday, la máa fún clinic back. Tí nǹkan kan bá ń ṣe wá, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ díjọ́ Thursday temple clinic láti wá complain. If you have any complaint, maybe during the week, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, please come to the hospital, come and complain. Somebody said she's having stomach pain. Huh? She's having pains. What can I use? I'm having pains with my tummy. And we tell her the group was sharing, come and complain. And it's okay. Oh, Rusale. She paracetamol la mani ko lo lori group. Fine, we have a group chat. You can lodge your complaint there. You see, there are some complaints that we cannot treat you there. If we ask you that, madam, you can take paracetamol, fine. If the paracetamol cannot solve the problem, what will you do? You need to come to the hospital. So if you have any complaint, don't say when you come to me, you come and complain together. Take your bag and come to the hospital. You know, we have different type of complaint. Oríṣiríṣi ni complaint. Àwọn complaint kan wà tó jẹ́ pé it's not minor. There is nothing that maybe it's only headache. Somebody that is having high blood pressure that is having headache, she now say it's only headache. Headache can result to another thing. So please, coming up regularly. You do the test that we write for you. If you are yet to do your test, please go and do it. It's very, very important. And to be coming to the clinic is very, very important. Number one, we do some tests for you. Check your BP, check your weight, check your blood, check your urine. By doing
ẹ̀yin kọ́ lè ń jẹ́ kàfáyà ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ fún wọn. Máa ṣe àmì ẹgbẹ́ pé wọ̀nyí.
Sunday Fatima.
Ni wọ́n tó káàdì yẹn máa dá wọn tó ń bá yẹn. Ohun ẹ bá mọ èké ẹ bá ti rẹ́ni tó dáwọn ẹ máa yọ sọ́tọ̀. Mo fẹ́ mọ láyè kan kò. Sunday Fatima kò sí ní báyìí. Ó ti dá wọn lóhùn. Yes. Hallelujah. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́. Òkè tá a lágbára ààbò. Àbẹ̀wò yóò máa ró bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́yà. Ń wọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ lọ́wọ́. Mo wí gbogbo yín tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ sí tẹ́ fi lọ fẹ́ lọ kúnlẹ̀. Lọ́jọ́ ìkúnlẹ̀ àti ìrọ̀lẹ́ ọ̀tá igbó sọnù. Ẹni tó fẹ́ràn ìyẹn ṣe. Orí àti ẹlẹ́dàá yín mo wí iná mi kò ní gbàgbọ́. Ó rògbò ọmọ títí. Ó yọ ayọ̀ ọmọ títí. Olóòrógbò ọmọ títí. Ó dẹ̀ yọ ayọ̀ ọmọ títí. Mo wí Ọlọ́run alàgbà tó bá gbé ọmọdé ìdílé kò ní lọ́mọ ẹ lọ́wọ́. Mo pa ìkìlẹ̀ àti ìnẹ̀rọ òwò àdánù. Mo parẹ́ lórí ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.
The prayer was going and name calling was going. It got to my turn. I got to hear my name and I stepped ahead. My weight was measured, my vitals was checked, and of course my baby's heart beat, and of course the measurement of my bump. I actually don't know how it is done in other hospitals. This is my own personal experience with this hospital. It may be different, it may be the same with yours in your own hospital. So this is just me sharing my experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a like, and of course subscribe to my channel. Comment your own opinion. Let me know how it is done at your own hospital where you register, or you have a sister that registered that you had already followed on 1 or 2 occasions. Just share with me in the comment section and I would like to read from you. So here is me laying on the bed while my baby's bump, what's it called, length or measurement was taken, and of course my baby's heartbeat was checked. And after then I just got to pay for antenatal. Every antenatal visit you get to pay 300 naira. I usually give drugs, but I don't get to take the drugs because I use pregnant care. So it is necessary for you to use either pregnant care or the hospital prenatal drugs. So it is left for you to choose between both. But I prefer my pregnant care because it is just a single dose instead of taking about 3 or 4 dosage at a time. So I prefer using my pregnant care, and this will bring me to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is my personal experience, like I said earlier. Don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. This is what happens on every antenatal visit. This is me getting to share with you my own experience. I pray you experience this as well. If you are a lady, and if you are a man, I pray your wife experience this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys. Kasia.